I put together a video. It's an animated video. It's like a cartoon. Everybody loves watching cartoons. And the idea was I get so many people that say, Doug, a heat pump and an electric furnace or baseboard heat, they're all electric. I don't understand the difference. So can you explain it to me? Now, I've had to explain this many times, and I don't mind, but I thought it would be really fun to make an animated video. It's really short, but it'll give you a clear understanding of the difference between a heat pump and baseboard heaters or an electric furnace. So have a look at it and give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me something about how you like the animation, because it was so much fun to make. Anyway, I'll look forward to talking to you soon.
Most people don't actually know why a heat pump costs less to run than old school electric heat. You hear heat pump everywhere. Then you look at baseboards or an old electric furnace and think, everything's electric, so why would one cost less than the other? I didn't get it at first either. One day an old guy, maybe a math teacher, maybe a professor, explained it to me. And now I'm probably the old guy explaining it to someone else. He said, a heat pump isn't a giant toaster, it's a pump. Then the old guy pointing at two machines, baseboard and heat pump, with simple labels. Here's what he meant. Old electric heat, baseboards, electric furnaces, toasters, ovens, all do the same thing. Electricity runs through a wire until it gets hot, and that hot wire makes heat. $1 of electricity becomes roughly $1 of heat. That's simple, and it's why those systems can be expensive to run. A heat pump is different. It doesn't create heat from electricity. It moves heat from one place to another using a motor and a compressor and a refrigerant loop. Think of it like a clever fan and engine that borrows heat from the outdoors and brings it inside. So $1 of electricity can deliver $2, $3, even $4 worth of heat, depending on outside temperature and the unit's efficiency. Even on cold days, modern cold climate heat pumps still move a lot of heat. They don't just turn into toasters. Electric baseboard glowing red, refrigerant loop drawing heat from outside and releasing it inside, side by side making heat versus moving heat labels, simple bar graphic showing relative heat delivered per dollar without equations. Quick, plain example. If a heat pump gives you twice the heat per dollar, your bill is roughly cut in half compared with resistance heat. It's that straightforward for homeowners. Bonus, a heat pump is also your air conditioner. The same machine cools in summer and heats in winter, usually built to higher efficiency than the cheap AC units people buy by price alone. Same machine, year-round comfort. If your home already heats with electricity, switching to a heat pump is one of the clearest moves you can make to save money and improve comfort. It's not magic, it's smarter use of energy. Non-salesy, practical. Talk to a local comfort advisor about cold climate models and rebates in your area. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll finally understand why everyone's talking about heat pumps.
So you've had a look at that animated cartoon that I made about heat pumps versus baseboard heaters and electric furnaces. I hope you really enjoyed that, and I hope that made it really clear so that you understand the differences and how your power can be affected. The cost of electricity can be affected based on how you heat your place. So if you've enjoyed that video and you want me to make more, a comment would be nice, but subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of that sort of thing. Give me the thumbs up if you can. I don't even know what that does, but it entertains me to say it. And there's also, I guess, a bell that if you do something with that, it'll let you know when I upload a new video. So I don't know who even does most of that stuff, but it's there for your convenience. Anyway, thanks for watching. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them as well. So have a great day.